Hello everyone, my name is Sirpar Teja. Today I will explain various ways of using LLMs and how they work and use cases. In this explain section, we will explain how each method works and its practical applications. First, web and app integration. How it works. LLMs are embedded into web and mobile applications using backend services. When a user inputs text, the app sends the request to an LLM, which processes it and returns a response. These interactions can happen in real time through cloud based APIs or locally hosted models. Let's discuss its use cases. Chatbots, AI-driven customer support bots that answers FAQs. Writing assistants, tools like Grammarly or Notation AI that define text. Translation services, apps like Google Translate that process multiple languages. Personalized content, social media platforms generating automated captions or comments. Next, APIs. How it works. APIs, application programming interfaces, allow developers to access LLM functionalities remotely. The application sends a request to the API and LLM respond with generated text, summaries or insights. This eliminates the need for local storage or high processing power. Use cases: AI powered search. Google and Bing enhance search with AI generated answers. Summarization. News websites use APIs to condense long articles. Next, replicating models from Hugging Face. How it works. Hugging Face hosts thousands of pre-trained LLMs. Developers can download and run these models on their own systems for customization. Fine-tuning allow modifications for specific industries or applications. The use cases are medical diagnosis assistance, final tuning models to understand and generate medical insights, legal document analysis, and custom trained models for reviewing contracts and legal documents. Next, deploy LLM on a local server. How it works. Instead of using cloud-based AI, LLMs can be deployed on an organization's internal server. This setup ensures complete control over data security and performance. It requires hardware like GPUs and software frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow. Use cases. The use cases are enterprise chatbots and company knowledge and AI-powered research assistants. Next, retrieval of augmented generation. In this, how it works. It enhances LLMs by allowing them to fetch and integrate real-time information from databases or the internet. Suppose when a user asks a question, the LLM retrieves relevant documents and combines them into a more accurate response. The use cases are customer support, bots, and legal research tools, technical documentation assistance. Now, fine tuning LLMs. A base LLM is yet trained on new domain specific datasets. This adaptation allows it to perform better in niche areas like medicine, law, or finance. Fine tuning requires labeled data and computational resources. The use cases are medical assistance and finance and stock market predictions and educational AI tutors. And next is AI agents. And how it works is AI agent use LLMs to analyze data, make decisions, and automate tasks. They operate independently or interact with users to perform scheduling, research, or workflow automation. The use cases are virtual assistants and automated market research and workflow automation. And next is Base model uses and how it works is a base model is an unmodified LLM that performs general tasks like text generation, translation, and question and answers. It works without fine tuning but may not be optimized for specific use cases. In this case, use cases are casual conversation and creative writing and AI generated poems, stories, and scripts, etc. And general knowledge assistance. Now, come to part 2, running LLMs locally and LLM deployment. Running an LLM on your local system eliminates dependency on cloud services, ensuring greater data privacy. However, it requires a powerful hardware, including a high performance GPU and sufficient storage. The hardware requirements are a strong CPU like a NVIDIA RTX 3.90 or higher for fast processing, at least 16 GB of RAM. And operating systems like Linux is preferred for efficiency through Windows, and Mac OS can also be used. And libraries and frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Hugging Face transformers. And install necessary software dependencies. Download a pre-trained LLM for Hugging Face or another platform. Load the model locally using available frameworks. Test the model with sample inputs like text generation or question and answers. Next, providing a private LLM and network for a company. A private LLM allows business to maintain control over their AI systems, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR. On-premises servers are private cloud infrastructure, high-performance GPU like NVIDIA A100 for efficient processing. And we have to take security measures, private networks with firewalls and VPNs to restrict access, and data encryption protocols to ensure secure communication. Set up a private LLM, and we have to download Ollama. You go to browser and search for Ollama and download for Windows. We have shown several models, and we have to select your required model and download it from GitHub. And we have to show how to work the LLM model. Go to command prompt and search for Ollama. Go to command prompt and run the command Ollama, and it shows the Ollama model is present in your local machine. And now we have to run the command we are downloading from GitHub, and it processes, and it asks to interact with the model. Suppose we have to send hi, hence it replies hi, and it asks what can I do for you today. Now suppose we want to write the code for even numbers between 1 to 10. Suppose write a code for even numbers between 1 to 10 in C++ language. Here it provides the code in C++ for the even numbers present between 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, thank you.